What's up, guys? Welcome to Ethan's Mohawk Rider. Today we're gonna do another video of a mini trip to Hawaii, and I hope you like all and I hope you enjoy all the waterfalls and fun trips.
Yes, guys, welcome back. As Ethan said, we're gonna show you guys our second part of our waterfalls. To start with, this was the very first one, which is gorgeous. It's called the triple waterfall. As you can see, it has 1, 2, and 3 waterfalls all together. Here we go to our second spot. Alright guys, here we are. So this will be our second stop, and this one, it is called Boiling Pots. There is actually a waterfall right there, and then it follows to the famous Boiling Pots, as I will show you. It's a little hard to tell, but when you're there, you can actually see the steam coming out of the pots, I guess. There is 1, 2 going down, and all of that, it's actually steaming water. So this place is very famous for that. And I don't think I mentioned, this is actually Hula. We were going to the volcanoes at this time, and we had to make a few stops, of course, to check out different places. Here we go to our next waterfall. Right after the garden, guys, then we got to stop here. It is the Rainbow Falls. And if I'm not mistaken, this one's very close to Hilo Airport, as well as to Onomiya Bay. And it's beautiful. You can't really appreciate on the video, I know, but it's huge, it's tall, and just that noise of the water, it's so relaxing, guys. It's beautiful. Hello guys. Alrighty guys, so as we are driving and we are passing by a fruit stand, and we couldn't wait to go and try coconuts, maybe a pineapple. So Ethan and his dad decided just to go and have a race. As you can see them out there, and all you see around us is bananas, pineapples, papayas, coconuts. And we actually got to try those amazing pineapples, guys, and coconut. It was so delicious. This one, guys, is also one of my favorite places. It is a garden, and it has beautiful palm trees, all kinds of different plants that I wouldn't really know all their names, but we did see a strawberry guava, or it's coming up. I will show you here. Here it's coming, I see that. It's a strawberry guava. We didn't get to try it, but they looked very, very delicious.
La mire cuando ella baila sola, le gusta más la casa que no pasen las horas, le gusta Barranquilla, le gusta Barcelona. Llévame en tu bicicleta.
This one, guys, is a must when you visit Hawaii, and this is the Hula dance, and also this is where they cook the pork under the rocks and you get to try all the different foods. It was amazing. We hope you guys enjoy the little videos that we put together for you. Oh, and also, guys, this is the sunset. So much for watching, guys. We really hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget that part 3 should be coming out soon.
Yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button and click the bell next to it. Stay happy and get a quad!